My name is Richard Nance, and I sell used trucks. Today I have a 2020 Volvo VNL760. This truck has a 217-inch wheelbase. This is a North Carolina Southern rust-free truck, powered by a D-13 455 horsepower Volvo engine with an iShift transmission. This truck has a 308 rear ratio and a 70-inch double bunk. Currently, this truck has 537,000 miles. It's been through our shop. PM has been performed on it. Detail has been completed. And a DOT inspection. If you're interested, please call Richard Nance, 336-663-2891. Thank you.